So, Nikki, the recovery loan scheme, what is it that I need to know and am I eligible?
Okay, Kirsty, well, there's quite a few things that you need to know. The recovery loan scheme is the replacement for CBILS and the bounce back loans that we had during the pandemic. So the recovery loan scheme is now open, and I believe it's going to be open until 31st of December 2021. However, of course, it may end up being extended. It's organised by the British Business Bank. However, you apply to your bank. You can apply to other banks. However, not all of the banks are looking for new business. So therefore, I always think it's best to ask the bank that you bank with already first to see if they can help you. There's certain criteria. The maximum loan is £10 million. Now, these aren't just necessarily loans, this finance. They can be termed loans. So the minimum is 3 months up to 6 years. But you may also take this finance out in different forms. So it might be in an overdraft or asset financing or invoice financing. One other good thing about it is the total fees are capped. Because often that's a problem for small businesses when they're trying to get financing. Sometimes they might only be eligible for really expensive financing. This finance is capped at 14.99%. One other important point of the recovery loan scheme is that no personal guarantees are required if the financing is under £250,000. To be eligible, you do have to show that you can afford the finance. So the lender will look at your prior accounts. They will, of course, take into account the period that your business may have been affected by COVID, but you do have to show in your business that you do have the capacity for repaying the loan and the interest. So it's important that you did pre-COVID have relevant profits. If you're not sure about the criteria and whether your business will qualify or not, it's best to have an informal chat with your bank manager or your banking team if you don't have a dedicated bank manager. So the recovery loan initially looks really positive. It's early days, so we haven't seen too many people get these loans yet. However, all of the basics in place look promising, and so hopefully it will indeed help a lot of businesses recover post-COVID.